Let's take a look at what the tailgate chef is cooking today.
Hello, today we're making another simple dish. We're going to make a south of the border cheesecake. It only takes a few ingredients. It's quick to put together, so let's get started. In a bowl, we want to add 1 stick of cream cheese, which I already have unwrapped. We're going to add half a cup of sugar. We want to take and then mix that up and get it to a smooth consistency. Give me just a second. I think we're going to get the mixer out. We're back and we're going to cheat. I've used a whisk before, but I don't have a whisk with me, but I do have a mixer. So let's use the mixer on this. It would be a nice help to us if you would hit the subscribe button, leave a thumbs up, and a comment of something you would like to see in an upcoming video. Thank you. Okay, we got that to a creamy, smooth texture. So now what we want to do is we want to go ahead and open up our Crescent rolls. This is the dough sheet. I think we picked them up at an HEB or Walmart. I'm not real sure which store we picked them up at. But we're going to take these, open these up if we can. I notice as I get older, all this stuff just gets harder and harder to open for me. Maybe it's just me. Does it do it to you? Let me know, because it gives me fits. This can's not being too difficult. It's kind of being cooperative for us. Okay, this is a 8x8 aluminum foil cake pan. I've already greased the inside of it with some non-stick oil. Now you want to take this cookie dough. Now, Jake, you need to stay out of my way. As you can tell, my helper's right on the job today. Once we have that cut, we want to take and cut that dough in half. We want to take half of it and place it in the bottom of our pan. Smooth it out. Now we want to take this mixture and put on top of that dough in the pan. Don't want to leave any of that goodness in that bowl. Price of groceries now, you don't want to waste anything. But in this case, it won't get wasted, because I know a four-legged friend of mine who is going to be more than happy to clean that bowl for me. You take and spread this around like so. Try to cover it evenly all over. Pushing that dough to the edges. Here we have some cinnamon sugar. We're going to open this up, which I probably should have already done already, but I hadn't. We're going to open that up and put a light sprinkle across the top of the powdered cream cheese mixture. Now we want to take the other half of the dough, stretch it out a little bit, and put it on top. In this cup, I have 1/2 a stick of butter. And in this, I have 1/4 a cup of mixed brown sugar and white sugar. We're gonna put in there. We're going to put this in our microwave for, I'm gonna set it for a minute. And when that gets melted, we'll go from there. I believe our butter is melted. We're gonna take that out and we're gonna simply pour this over the top. Take our spoon and spread it around. We're now going to place this in our oven. We have it set at 375 and we're going to check it at 20 minutes, but sometimes it might take 30 minutes depending on your oven. So we're going to put it in and see what we can get. We'll be back at you when it's done. It's been 30 minutes. It's time to check it. And that is done. Now I'd like to cut up a piece, have it for myself and show it to you, but this needs to cool. It really needs to cool about 45 minutes outside till it gets almost room temperature, and then needs to go in the ice box for a couple hours. So we're going to put it, or leave it here, and then put it in the ice box, and I'll get a piece of it when it's ready. Please hit like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.